Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Xero with Make AI for automatic expense categorization, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Xero website. Sign in to your Xero account or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, locate the Settings tab in the main menu. Click on Add-ons from the drop-down options. Search for Make in the Add-ons Marketplace. Select the Make app from the search results. Click on the Get This App button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to authorize Make to access your Xero account. After authorization, return to your Make dashboard. Create a new scenario by clicking on the Create a New Scenario button. Search for Xero in the Apps section. Drag and drop the Xero module into the workflow area. Select the trigger that suits your needs, such as new receipt. Next, search for and add the AI service for expense categorization. Connect this service to the previous Xero module. Configure the AI module to categorize expenses based on your preferences. Make sure to map the correct fields from Xero to the AI module. Add any additional filters or conditions to fine-tune your automation. Save your scenario with an appropriate name for easy reference. Test the scenario to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Monitor the execution history to check for errors or issues. Adjust settings or mappings if necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied, activate your scenario to start automatic categorization. Regularly review the categorized expenses in Xero to ensure accuracy. Keep your Make scenario updated as your expense categorization needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.